Yo, what's going on? Tev here. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys 3 exercises that you can do to help strengthen up your knee, because myself, I used to have a messed up ACL, so I wasn't able to put any weight on it, wasn't able to do any type of movements that I used to. But to help with that, to help get where I am today, where I can run and continue playing basketball, I started doing some strengthening exercises, something that helped. So with all that being said, I'm gonna show you guys these exercises. Yo. Okay, starting with full body squats, we'll make sure that our legs are spaced out shoulder length apart. And what you want to do is just go down, get that full recoil. You'll see that my elbows are going down to my knees, and if you can't even go past it, we'll get a side view. That way you can see how it looks on the side also. But what this helps with is just that strengthening of all those leg muscles, especially doing that mobility type of movement to get your knees going and just firing at those hips as well. And doing this exercise will definitely strengthen up those knees, your calves, your hips. It's just going to target all those muscles in between. Next, we'll be doing between the leg kettlebell lunges. You'll see as I'm going down, I'm passing the kettlebell underneath my leg. And to get the best result, you want to go down as low as possible. You'll see my knees are touching the ground. We'll get a side view for you guys. So with this exercise, it's going to help strengthen up those hips and those calves, pretty much all those muscles around your knee area, and resulting of building stronger knees. Our last exercise for today is a decline step. So unlike what we usually see, we see stepping up onto the step, but with this exercise, you start on the step already. What you want to do is drive that heel down to the ground, and you'll notice the bend that he has to do with his leg. You want to keep that toe up. That way you get the full result of this exercise. And going down slowly, taking your time while squeezing your abs and keeping your glutes tight while holding the kettlebell to your chest. This exercise definitely builds up that mobility, and it helps target those hip flexors. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys find those results that you need with doing this. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and stay tuned for more content coming your way. With all that being said, I'm out.